Hello, my Facebook family. Hello, 1024 Journey. How y'all doing? This is the afternoon video. I'm just, vlogging today. Today we're making hot pickles, hot fried pickles. So we got the grease popping over here, as y'all can hear. And I'm going to turn my camera around and let's get started with this video. So we got the hot chips, and we have the pickles over here. I'm going to drop one in there for you. You try one with egg too. He's on there, but he's wearing off a little tiny. Okay, we're gonna take this right to the stove. No. Oh, I swear. Let me turn it down. So there it goes, you guys. And I will. It's frying. Awesome. Okay, you guys, you have like a 2-minute video. So let me just sit over here with you guys, and I gotta go on the lighting. Okay, how y'all doing? In the lighting. So yeah, we repping St. Augustine University in North Carolina. It says that, and it says over everything, period. Let me see, there you go. So how y'all doing this afternoon? Y'all keep on, all of my subscribers keep getting upset because I have not uploaded. Listen here. I'm going to try my best to get a video out every day, and it's going to be me cooking in the kitchen because during the day I'm a little busy, and that's why I have not been uploading. But there's another video for you guys, so don't get mad, and leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you. Watch the videos, hit the comment button, and subscribe to your friends, your family, and everyone that you know. Even the people that you walk by in the grocery store and the people that walk down your block. Tell them to subscribe. 1024 Journey. Okay. Love you guys. See you later. Okay. Bye-bye. I'm not going to show y'all the finished product because I'm not eating that. My kids are eating that. I'm not eating it. So I'm making chili. I could just let this video keep rolling, but I have to go and cook. So you have approximately a short video today, but that's okay. I'll upload tomorrow. Love you guys. Peace.